I just took this out. Gen Q CPT 00691. Right here, from physical inspection, I can see. I don't think this is some. Oh, this is some gel. I see some leakage, and it got inside. It got seems like physically damaged. I have a new part that I just got from Amazon today. It has the same specification, 60, and it's a dual capacitor, 60 and 5 microfarads. I think 60 is for the compressor and 5 is for the fan. I just tested it with this guy. Seems to have the correct ratings. We need 60 and 5 microfarad. So let me see if this guy works. Alright, this symbol is for the capacitor. Gonna put this is the common one. 1, 2, 3, 4. The more connectors common. This is the fan. My fan has an issue, so I'm gonna just test these two. And what do we see? What do we see? Do we see anything? Just one moment. Alright, I just removed the caps and then inserted these two. I'm seeing 3 nanofarads instead of 5 microfarads. The same thing, the common, and this is tricky. Yep, same thing on the new one. See, 5 microfarads, so functional. I'm gonna put this one, put the new one in there and then test it.